In this section, we're going to look at creating a close macro. It's a generic close macro. It'll close anything that you place the macro on, and we're going to put it on a form. So I've got the Holland database open, and I'm going to click Create, and I'm going to go over to Other to Macro, and I'm going to create a macro. It's going to open up the new macro pane here, and I am going to type in the action of close. And the close action does not have to have any arguments. I can just create a macro, I call it close, and it will close whatever the current object is. So from here I'm just going to click on Save. I'll name it MCR Close, and I will close it. Now to test this out, I'm going to open up a form, just any form basically. Here I have the customer data, and I'm going to switch to Design View. And move down to the bottom of that form. I'll make sure I have some room down here. And I'm going to take my close macro, and I'm simply going to drag it and drop it on my form. It creates a button called MCR Close. I'm going to go ahead and edit that and resize my button here a little bit. Didn't mean to open the property sheet, but we'll resize the button a little bit so it looks good. I'm going to save that. I'm going to switch to Form View and try it. Works great. Let's try another form here. I'm going to open up Form Contract. See how that one is. We've got the View Customer in there. Button already. I'm going to move to Design View, and I'm going to add my macro close, and I'll add it right next to this one. And I'm going to pull off the MCR, and I'm going to take these two, and I'm going to make them look alike by selecting them both. Going to Arrange, and I'm going to find size. Here we go. To tallest, and then I'm going to align to top, and that'll work. I'll save that. I'm going to switch over to Form View, and I'll see if it works. Alright, and there's a simple way to create a macro using drag and drop. This is the end of this segment.